Hi, this is the last video of PWA. We want to share the static content like blog, professional detail, and anything. We can serve these files by the use of service worker. I told you in my previous video. And if we have a large website and have many static pages and we can't share all the things offline at one time, we because as I told you earlier that has a limit. Okay, like a RAM, you don't store unlimited of data. Likewise, cache memory, it is also has a limit. And sometime you want to share some information is that very important information like professionals detail and blogging. You can do by the use of by the manage cache memory. And sometime deleting unused and unnecessary static pages are required. Let's see the code. I am creating here catch one, and this will create a catch one memory in the cache memory. Catch one is a name of the memory, and the code of this I explained in my previous video. If you didn't see that, please go and watch if you want to understand this video. And this is the index file I want. Now after some day, I added some other static content, and I want to show the latest or the new static content. I don't want to share my old content because it is incomplete or unnecessary, you can imagine. And as you can see that in the catch one memory, I this is red in color. That means that I deleted. So in the catch one there is only one file here, and that is the index.html. But in my new catch, I am giving the new name here catch 2, and here I put my profile image and some other HTML page like blog.html. And this is my uh, new new things I want to share to the audience. And I don't want to share the catch one, so hence I want to delete it. And if you run this all the code, suppose catch one is there, and it again create a catch 2 memory, but I don't want a catch 1 memory, I want to delete it. To do that, you can also delete manually in the browser. Let's see. You can also delete manually by the come here console application tab, and here you can also delete like that. But you can also delete by the use of coding. To do that, see the code here. So first see the active. So activate is a event listening by the service worker. So as you can see that there is a coding catch not equal to catch version. So first focus on the focus only on the catch version. Catch version is a as you can see that catch 2. So that means that catch 2 not equal to sorry I'm this is catch 1. See the code here. Catch 2 is a string not equal to catch 1. It is true. That means that it execute the this command catches dot delete catch 1. So that means that it delete the catch 1, and you finally got the catch 2 here. So this code, this code do that. Let's confirm it. This is the JavaScript tab, JavaScript console. So first I am catch 2 not equal to catch 1. So if you observe, this is true. This is the index.html file and this is the service worker file, and this is in installed event you add all the files, and in activate event you delete all old cache, and this is the fetch. So service worker can fetch from data from cache memory or server. I only write here to catch the index.html file, but here catch all. So this is the thing, this is the cache memory which we made in the previous video, so I have to delete it. The other things, this is also a previous service worker, so I have to unregister it. So as you can see that this is the local host and 55500, that means that this server I have to do unregistered it. For now you can't do register or unregistered by the coding, you have to do manually. So what I do now, I unregistered this the service worker which is mapped to the this URL. So I unregistered it. I again go live. You have to also delete the cache memory manually. So let go offline. Let's try on another browser. So as you can see that sometime browser not working. So this fetch only two things here, index.html and this I wrote here. This is right. If I go offline, so it only shows the HTML file here because it only fetch the index.html file. It didn't fetch the images. That's why it didn't see anything here. So now what I am doing, I made another cache, cache version 2, and I add here some file here. So like assets dot games dot png. Now let's see the cache. So as you can see that here is written in cache version 2. That means that it delete the previous cache one. Oh sorry, this is another browser. Where is the browser? Yes, this is the Brave browser. This is the I open this. So if you observe, as you can see that this is the cache version 2. That means that it delete the first cache one. Let me go, let go offline. If I refresh this, so there are only two images here because I only want to fetch games.png file and park.png file. That's why it only shows these two files. I hope you understand how you can delete the cache. Thank you.